Good morning. This is Bruce with Lap of Luxury Travel bringing you today's cruise and travel news. Our top story today, the next generation of megaships is coming. Cruise lines are moving forward with new Excel-class and world-class ships featuring LNG propulsion and increasingly advanced onboard technology. We're talking about faster biometric boarding and even augmented reality dining experiences that can transform the atmosphere around you throughout dinner. The cruise ship of the future is arriving quickly. In Italy, a court has overturned environmental approval for a proposed €600 million cruise port development near Rome. The ruling forces developers to restart parts of the approval process and could significantly delay the project. In a disturbing story, the FBI has charged a former hairstylist who worked aboard Brilliant Lady with allegedly assaulting female passengers after offering unauthorized massages. The case is now moving through the legal process. In Holland America news, one of the cruise line's upgraded ships will feature 30 new solo cabins and sail itineraries through the Panama Canal and the ABC Islands. This is good news for solo travelers, as cruise lines continue expanding options designed specifically for them. And finally, an important update for anyone traveling to Europe. ETIAS, the European Travel Information and Authorization System, has reportedly been delayed again and is now expected to launch in 2027. I will be reaching out to our clients traveling to Europe with updates as the implementation timeline becomes clearer. That's today's cruise and travel news. For help planning your next vacation, call Bruce, Melissa, Jennifer, or Jen at 800-462-6807 or visit lapofluxurytravel.com, because ordinary isn't an option.